Hi everyone, welcome to share classes. Today in this video we have to draw 55-degree angle using protractor. So constructing 55-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. So first of all, drawing a line of any length here. Okay. Next, marking here a point. Next, using protractor and putting the protractor perfectly, and this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now between 50 to 60 we can get 55. So this is 55. Okay. Now joining this one to get 55-degree angle. So joining this, okay, so this is 55-degree angle. Now this is P, Q and R. So angle PQR 55-degree. So therefore angle PQR equal to 55-degree. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.